Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a river network for a particular city, and I will select Kathmandu as my study area for this project, and I will also show you how to create a catchment area for a particular output point. So first of all, I need the DEM data, digital elevation model data. So to do that, first need to download the data, and I will download that data from this website, and I will provide the link in the description box, and you need to log in first in this website to download data, and then in this world map, just scroll and zoom to your specific study area. I will search for Kathmandu. So this is my study area, and now I'll just create a polygon around my study area. Okay, I will scroll down, and cloud cover I'll select it as 0% to 10%. It's fine. Now I'll go to datasets and come here, digital elevation. Click here, and then I'll come here, SRTM. I'll just click SRTM, and then SRTM1 arc second global. I'll select this one, and I will click in results. So this is the result for my study area. I can I can check. So this dataset covers my study area. So I'll download the data and just click here, and it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded the data. I'll add the DEM data now. I'll go to open data source manager, then go to raster, then click here, and I will select this. This is my data. Just click and open and add. Close. So now I will right click and go to properties and see that the CRS for this DEM data is this one. I need to change this to a projected CRS. So just close this one and go to raster, and then projection and work reproject, and I'll select this one, and target CRS will be this one. You need to select the projected CRS for your study area, and then run, and it's complete. Now I need to come here, this processing toolbox. You need to go here, click processing, then toolbox, and just search here, fill, search for this, and then I'll select the reprojected um, time data, and then I'll unselect these two and run. After that, again come here and search for Strahler order. So right double click and then use this fill dim and run. Okay, if I close these three, these are the river networks. Now see, this is very dense because it shows very smaller branches of river also. So I don't need that very small size of branch of river. So I will only show the bigger sizes of river. So filter that. I will click here and then go to raster, and then go to raster calculator. I'll select this Strahler order, just double click, and then greater or equal sign, and then I will select as maybe 6. Okay, I need to select the output layer, and I'll go here. This is my folder, and I'll just give it a name. I will Strahler 6. Okay, save, and okay. I'll come here, right click, and I can select paletted or unique values, classify, like I will delete this bluish color. So to do that, I'll come here, and this is transparency. Go to transparency, then a additional load data value, just put 0 here and apply. And again go to symbology. I want to change this color, apply. So now I can see the river networks better. It's not very dense now, so it's good. Now I need to again go to processing toolbox and search for network. So I need to select this channel network and drainage basin, double click, and then I need to click this field DEM, and I'll give threshold as 6. Okay, and uncheck everything except channels. I'll keep this only selected and uncheck everything. So I can run. Okay, it's done now. And see, this is now a vector file. I can change the color uh, for these lines. Now this is the whole river network of the whole area. Now, as I want to create the river network for a particular city like Kathmandu, now I need to add the shapefile for Kathmandu first. So I'll go here, open Data Source Manager, and go to Vector, and then click here. In this folder, I have my shapefile, so I'll just open this. So this is a shapefile, AutoCAD shape source, this type. So just click that and open and add, close. Now, see, this is whole Nepal, whole Nepal country. From this, I need to select only Kathmandu. So I'll go to local unit and right click and go to open attribute table. Now just click once in district title. So it will be rearranged in the ascending order. Now I'll search for Kathmandu as it is alphabetical order, so it's easy to find. So yeah, here is Kathmandu, and I'll select all the values, all the entries that has Kathmandu as district. So I will select this and I'll minimize. See, this is Kathmandu. This is my selection. It shows in yellow color. Now I need to filter this out. So to do that, I'll again go to local unit and right click, and I'll go to export and save selected feature. Then just give it a name. I'll name it as Kathmandu. Then save. So again, I need to change the CRS coordinate system here also. So for this project, it is this one. Okay. If I turn this off here, now I can see my study area. I can change the layer styles a little bit. I can click here and then go to this option, open the layer styling manager and come here, and I can change the color. I can change the stroke color. I will change it to, I want to keep it as a very light color because I want to show the river network also. So if both the lines are very dark, then it will be hard to distinguish. So I can also change the stroke style, dot line. So you can edit this as you want. Then I will now another thing I should do is I don't need the whole river network. I need the river network for Kathmandu city only. So to do that, I'll go to vector and geoprocessing tools and clip, and my overlay layer will be Kathmandu and input layer will be channels, and then run. Okay, it's complete now. Close. This is the clipped channels. If I turn this off, this is the Strahler order. Then I can see the river network for Kathmandu city. I can change the name first. Rename layer. I will Kathmandu river network. Okay, I'll change the color also. Something blue to represent river network, and I can increase the width. Okay. So this is the river network for Kathmandu city. Mm, Now, if I want to create a catchment for any particular point, then first of all, I need to create a outlet point. I need to add a layer, create a layer for that. So I'll go to layer and create layer, and then new shapefile layer. Just give any name, and I'll give name as outlet. Then save. Then I need to geometry type will be point, and also this is important to change the CRS. I'll change the CRS to this. For the for our whole project, this is our CRS. Okay. Now, okay. Now this is my outlet. If I put this on the top, I'll right click here and toggle editing. Now I can edit. I'll go here, add point feature. Then I can select any point where I want to create a catchment. So I will maybe select somewhere here. So I will to select the pixel correctly. So I will turn on the installer order and zoom to select correctly. Just give in ID as 1 and okay. And again right click and go to open attribute table. I'll save edits and again go to here open field calculator. So I'll create a new field. The output field name will be x coordinate and I need to write here $sign and x. So this is the preview. This is the x coordinate for that selected point and okay. And then again go here open field calculator, then output field name y coordinate and $sign and y. Okay, this is the preview and okay. And I can save edits. So now I can I'll minimize this and toggle editing. Um, Click on toggle editing to turn off editing mode. Now I can turn off this installer order. Now I'll cut this and okay. Okay, go to processing, then go to toolbox and search for upslope and go to upslope area. Copy and paste here. Again copy paste. This will be the field DEM and I'll select deterministic 8 and run. Close. So this shows my catchment area for the outlet. If I put it on top, okay, turn it on and I can see the outlet. For this particular outlet, this is the catchment area. So this catchment is in a raster format till now. Now I want to change raster to vector layer. So to do that, click here and go to raster and conversion, raster to vector, and it's okay and run. Close. So this is my catchment area. I can right click and I will rename the layer. So just catchment. Okay. I will choose a lighter color. So it's fine. This is our catchment for this river network for this outlet point. So what I want to do next is I want to show the catchment river network for this catchment only. So to do that, I'll again go to vector and geoprocessing tools and clip. I will the overlay layer will be the boundary. It will be the catchment, and this will be the Kathmandu river network. So I can run and close. If I turn this river network, Kathmandu river network off, then I can only see the river network for this catchment. So I can now just right click and rename layer, and this will be catchment river network. Okay, and I can change the color. So that looks fine. Now, if I want to mm, create a map in JPG format or PDF format, I need to go to project and then go to new print layout and just give anything name and okay. So here I can create a map now. So to do that, first come here and I will select, I'll show the Kathmandu river network first. So I'll select this Kathmandu, whole Kathmandu boundary, and then I need the Kathmandu river network, and I'll keep the outlet and I'll turn it off for now. So this is my river network. So after selecting this, I'll go to my layout. Okay, I can turn this tabs off. Okay, now go here. This is add layer option, add map option. So click here and just create a rectangle, and the selected things will appear here now. To move this map or make it bigger or smaller, you need to click here. This move item content. Click here, and now you can move this layer. Move the item inside the page. So I'll increase the size. Okay, this looks good, and I can add frame, and I can any other thing like scale or anything else. I'll add a label. I can increase the font size and go to configure format. I'll can change the font style. I'll select this one and bold. Okay, I'll maybe increase the size. Okay, center and middle. Okay, I'll clear at the legend. I'll display the auto update option. Now I don't need so many things. I'll okay, delete this one. Okay, I'll keep the outlet. I also don't need this. I need this. So delete this one. Okay, I don't need these things. I delete this. Now I want to edit a little outlet. I can get that. Kathmandu. Okay, I can say Kathmandu river channels and just Kathmandu. I can change the size and everything. I can come here. I can labels. Item font I can change and increase that. And so it looks good. After that, I can just export this map as image. I'll just give it a name, Kathmandu um, river network. Save and save. So that's it. So if I want to show the catchment now, then I can select this catchment river network, then catchment and outlet. I will untick everything else. After selecting these things here, I can again go to project, again go to new print layout, and I will just name 2, and then again go to add map, and that's it. So again, if I want to move this, I will click here, move item content, and I can now zoom in or increase or decrease the size. So I will go here, and I want to increase the size here. Okay, size will be 4. Okay, and I also want to show the level of this mm, output. So I'll go to level, and no level, I'll change it to single level, and the value will be, I will come here, click here in the expression option, and I'll go to fields and values, and select this one and this one. So for two different columns, I need to this sign between these two. Now this is the preview, but we can't understand this properly. To show this properly, we need to put a comma between these two. So I will again put another sign, and here I will put a comma and quotation mark. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, I'll click here, draw call out, and I will select this move a label. Click here, just click OK, and click here and move it a little. So that looks fine. Okay, to change that here, I just need to refresh view. So here I can see that. I can come here and make it bold, increase the size. Okay, you can edit this as you want. So I can again add a legend. Okay, I take this auto update, and I need catchment, river network. I need the catchment, and I need the outlet. I don't need anything else. I can delete these things, and river channel. And I don't need such a big paper for this. I can right click page proportion, and I can select A5. Now I will change the size. So it looks good, and I can again export as image. I'll just name catchment. Okay, save and save. So it's done.